everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make minestrone soup. It's an Italian soup dish with a lot of vegetables and often the additional pasta. It's a popular dish in Japan as well. I decided to make it with kids because I found a really cute heart-shaped pasta. I think it's perfect for Valentine's Day as well. I will share with you how to make it in a quick way. Only 3 steps: cut, stir fry, and simmer. Kids enjoyed cutting vegetables. They were really helpful. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Cut bacon, onion, carrot, and potatoes into small pieces. Kids enjoyed cutting vegetables. Heat olive oil in a deep pot. Cook chopped garlic until fragrant. Add the bacon and vegetables and cook until onion becomes soft. Add canned diced tomatoes, 2 cans of water, consommé cube or powder, any soup stock is okay, bay leaves, salt and pepper. Then cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Add pasta and cook as instructed on its package. Mine was 9 minutes. Actually, putting too much pasta will end up making pasta dish instead of soup, but it is still good. Make as you want. I put a bag of pasta, but less pasta is okay. Serve in a bowl and sprinkle with parmesan cheese and parsley flakes. Mostly just for color, so don't worry if you don't have them.
And now it's done.
Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more Valentine's Day recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
美味しい。
よかった。
まだ残ってる。あ、まだある？
まだいっぱいある。でも全部スープじゃないわ。
美味しい。
吸っちゃいました。スープを。
美味しい。ママが？
違う、ママがパスタが吸っちゃった。パスタはどんどん水吸ってっちゃうんだよ。
まだ食べたいもん。喉乾いてるから。
違う。乾燥してるからね、そうなんないよ喉。
もうスープじゃなくてパスタになるわ。ミネストローネかっこパスタ。
でも美味しいでしょ？よかったね、美味しいね。
美味しい。美味しい。最高。おかわり欲しい。
おかわりいっぱいあります。
僕も食べたい。
すごいよく食べました。
作ってみてください。押してね。バイバイ。
何も面白くない。